Hello there, welcome to another Python tutorial by AITechEX. In today's video, I will discuss about constructor and destructor. In my previous video, I will show you how you can create a class and you can use constructor and destructor in class. So let's get started. First of all, what is constructor? It initializes automatically when we create an object for our class. That means we don't need to call that function to initialize it. It will create or initialize automatically whenever we are creating object. And what is destructor? When there is no need of that object that we have created from our class anymore in our program later on. So it will call destructor to destruct that object to save computer's memory. Let me show you an example. Let's say I will create a class game and it has a variable player is equal to 11. Okay, and let's create a constructor using def double underscore init self. So this is how you can create a constructor in a class. So it will be called automatically whenever we are creating object. So it will print that's I am playing. Okay, let's create another function if playr players self, and it will print value of we currently have the sign self dot player plus player dot. Okay, and let's create destructor. To create destructor, use def double underscore del double underscore self. It will print object is deleted. Okay, now let's create object. Let's say soccer is equal to game. This will create object. Soccer object is of class game, and when we run this, it's giving this output. I'm playing and object is deleted. So here, whenever we are creating an object, it will call constructor automatically, and when there is no need of this object soccer, it will use call this function and it will delete that. So here we have only one line of code. So when we are initializing it, it is calling this constructor. Then it will search for program. Is there any other need of this soccer object? And if Python finds there is no use of soccer again in this program, it will call this destructor and it will delete soccer to save computer space. Soccer dot players. Yeah. Okay, and let's run this. Oops, must be still not in shape. Oops, I forgot to convert this into string str. This will create our integer number that is player into string. So this can add all that and print in our program. Let's run this. See here, when we create an object, this function is automatically called and we have output I'm playing. And after that, this search for program, the search in program. See here, we need soccer object, so it will not call this destructor. It will first search program and search for that function that we need. So it will go into a class and call that function, and that's playing this. So after this line, soccer object is not needed anymore. So it will call destructor and it will delete that. Okay. So here, init method will initialize when we create object, and Python will check whole program if there is any situation where our this object is needed or not. Suppose I have another lot of line of code here, and currently I'm working on soccer. After some line of code, I need to use soccer again. Okay, so Python will scan whole program. Here it will use init method to initialize it, and then after searching a program, it will find that yeah, we need soccer here again, so it won't call this destructor method. But after this method, there is another code, and there is no need of soccer object. So at this position, after using this object, Python Destructor will delete this soccer by calling this, so that it will be deleted and memory can be saved. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks for watching. If you have any queries or suggestion, please comment in comment section below. Please like and share this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Have a good day.